مشاهدينا الكرام، اهلا وسهلا فيكم في حلقه جديده من حلقاتنا الاسبوعيه لرواد الاعمال. كما عودناكم بنستضيف في كل حلقه سبيشال بزنس مان. رحبوا معي الدكتور امين، اونر اوف المنصوري ميديكال سنتر. Good afternoon, Mr.
Good afternoon, and welcome.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah. I just want to ask you, and let also the viewers know about your professional career. And when did you came to UAE, and when did you open your own business?
Well, I came to UAE in 2003 from Saudi Arabia. I was working in Saudi before, and I came to Dubai in 2003 basically for the education of my kids, because the schools were very good over here. My kids were in India, I was away, and my wife was suffering. So UAE, we found a place where we can have everything and we can stay with our family. So by that time when I came, I started this medical center. I was working before with somebody, and then finally I thought that I will make it my own. So I took this center, which was running from 1995. I took over it from 2005 onwards. So since then, this is my center. And definitely after coming over here, UAE has given me a lot of chance for growth.
Okay, what kind of treatment does the center provide to the people?
Basically, we have, I am a physician. I take care of almost everything. So as a family physician, I take care of the first line of treatment from anybody. If something requires more referral to a specialist, then I refer the patients from here. Otherwise, minor diseases are treated here only. We have a dental department also, which caters to all sorts of dental treatment, except the orthodontist and endodontist, which require special treatment. But otherwise, for all dental treatment, minimum root canal and other things, we have everything over here. And we have investigations like ECG, sugar, blood tests that we take care, and we are associated with other labs that we have.
You have already labs also for the...
We are associated with the labs, so we take the blood samples here. Patient does not have to go anywhere, except for radiology, where it needs special rooms for protecting the people from the radiology thing. So we send them otherwise.
Of course, you have the latest devices, medical devices.
Of course. Dubai and the healthcare system is very progressive these days. A lot of transformative technologies are coming into it, and the healthcare system is changing very drastically these days.
Okay, what is your plan for next 2-3 years? Are you going to open like another branch in another area?
Yes, we are working in different areas also. For example, now we are associated with another medical center in Karama, where I also go and sit there in part-time. We are also having ideas and collaborating with people, and I am focusing more on the preventive and wellness side of the healthcare, because I want people more to be associated with prevention rather than just going for the treatment, because two things. Treatment gives a lot of cost to the healthcare sector, where people are having a lot of cost bearing on the insurance as well as to the healthcare sector. If people are more associated with prevention, a lot of money, time and everything can be saved. And two main concerns that we are looking for, especially in the UAE, is obesity and diabetes, which are the non-communicable diseases.
Yes. Okay, what is your opinion about of course, how the United Arab Emirates is giving a secure place for the people, for the businessman, how they are dealing with the COVID nowadays, the vaccination, how is it? So what is your opinion regarding?
Well, as a doctor, I will say, as a frontliner, I will say, first of all, thank you very much to the rulers of this country. They have been very focused in their vision. They have been very ahead of the time, especially when it comes to the COVID part of it. You and me and everybody out here, we feel so fortunate that we are a part of this country when we see and compare with other parts of the world, how things are going on around. So they have taken a very drastic measures, very straightforward measures that were way ahead of the time. And that's the reason we are enjoying this. And I hope, inshallah, everything will be fine for this country and as well as for every other country, for humanity as well.
Inshallah. Just want to ask, how did you could benefit to do the business here in United Arab Emirates?
See, being in UAE, or not only me, everybody who comes to UAE or out of their country requires minimum 4 things, right? First of all, it has to be the security. It has to be the safety that we all look for. Then prosperity. We came out for money. Prosperity not in terms of money only, but knowledge as well, right? Then we want stability for us and our family. And fourth and most important, a life which is full of dignity and respect. I think I have gained this in UAE. I think you have gained this in UAE. I think everybody who has come over here has got these four things, minimum these four things. And that's what I think I would love to have, pass on to my next generation, to my kids. And most important, apart from this, people talk about tolerance. When they talk about tolerance, this is something that you learn over here. I will just give you an example, if you can put it in this for the viewers, that, one day I was going on Friday afternoon, and we didn't know that it was the Jummah time. So we just went there, and the road was blocked by, some cars. People just park the car and start praying along the roads because they are late. And my friend, when he was blocked, he got a little bit upset. So he took out his phone and he started, filming to see, okay, I will tell this to this. And I said, why don't you look on this side of the road where there is a mosque? Why don't you see that people are standing around and they are praying? So why don't we just stop over here and just close our eyes and be in silence, and you can take care of whichever faith you have, and I will just do that. And maybe this is a chance for us to just be in the crowd. Actually, we walked in the car and we were in the middle of this thing. So from inside we were thinking we are just going out, but if you see from the top, unknowingly we were just a part of the big crowd in between them. So this, this awareness starts coming to you, that a sense of tolerance, the respect for others' faith and respect for each other. This is something that I felt the most important in over here. And initially I used to say this is a home away from home. This is our first home and this is the second home. But for my son and my kids, this is the first home. I may still be saying that this is my second home, but after I bought the house here, UAE has already become my home. So it has benefited us in a very, very unique way. And I hope it's going to benefit almost everybody with the visions. Surely we are lucky, and thanks to the vision of the forefathers of the rulers and the coming generation also, I wish inshallah it will be a great nation that looks forward and move ahead. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, Doctor, just want to clear to the viewers or the audience, what is the location for the medical center and what is the working time?
Yeah, our medical center is located in Musalla Road, Bardubai, in Musa building. The landmark is near Dubai Museum, and we are open every day except Friday from 9 to 1 and 5 to 9. With appointments, we are always there, and you can call us at 055 428 1347. Thank you. Thank you for this.